Welcome to this detailed review of DiversyFund, a platform that makes real estate investing more accessible. DiversyFund offers a variety of investment opportunities, allowing you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this platform aims to democratize real estate investments. Once you sign up, you'll be able to browse through various real estate projects, including multifamily properties and development projects. The platform gives you full transparency with updates on the status of your investments. DiversyFund's user interface is simple and easy to navigate. On the dashboard, you'll see your portfolio's current value, and you can check on any projects you've invested in to see how they're performing. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. One of the standout features of DiversyFund is its commitment to non-accredited investors. Traditionally, real estate investments were often limited to high-net-worth individuals, but DiversyFund opens up opportunities to a broader audience. The platform also offers a straightforward fee structure, so you know exactly what you're paying for. DiversyFund focuses on long-term growth, and many of their projects are built with this in mind, making it a good option for those looking to build wealth over time. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to invest in real estate with a low minimum investment, which makes it accessible for people who might not have a huge amount of capital to start with. Additionally, DiversyFund's team has a lot of experience in the industry, which adds a layer of credibility to their projects. However, as with any investment, there's always a risk, and real estate is no exception. It's important to note that some projects take several years to show returns, so patience is key. Another important aspect to mention is the transparency of the platform. DiversyFund provides updates on the performance of your investments, which helps keep you informed along the way. However, the platform might not be as fast-paced as other investment opportunities, so it may not be ideal for those looking for quick returns. In conclusion, DiversyFund offers a solid platform for those looking to get into real estate investing with a relatively small initial investment. The ease of use and accessibility make it a great choice for beginners, while its long-term growth potential is appealing for more seasoned investors. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.